Okay, we're out here halfway to Vegas. Our project, putting in solar 600 feet. Well, we're gonna need something. So that's to pull in the wire. So this Clear Glide aerosol wire pulling lubricant in an aerosol canister. So now when you go inside of the box, it's a lot easier than just to have to put soap in your hand and shove it in the pipe. So now we're just gonna, with this handy dandy nozzle, we just put it in the pipe and we can pull our wire in. As you can see, we're doing solar cable. So it's a lot thicker than the regular THHN or whatever we'd be using. So then you look in here, we can simply put the Clear Glide right in there, right in the pipe, and it's a lot easier to use. You don't have to throw it away either. It doesn't leak all over your truck or what have you. So yes, Clear Glide's the way to go. All right, just shake it up. Put the end in the pipe. Doing this with one hand. Here we go. Put as much as I want. Just until it spills over. I'm ready to pull.